My company started out with a single brand, In 30 Minutes Guides. And if you go to amazon.com/in 30 minutes, you can see them. I have a whole bunch of books. But very early on in my publishing journey, I made an interesting discovery. And that was on the detail page, if you scroll down, it would show frequently bought together. So people who were buying Excel basics in 30 minutes, they would also buy these products from other companies. This is a cheat sheet for Word or a cheat sheet for Excel. And I saw it happen over and over again. Sometimes people who bought my book, Microsoft Word, in 30 minutes, they'd also buy the PowerPoint book, but then they'd buy this other person's product. And at first I was a little bit miffed about that. I was like, somebody's piggybacking off of my success, and I didn't like it. But then I thought, actually, for the books that I publish, I can create something like this too, because I have the IP, I have the intellectual property. On these cheat sheets by this other company, they're talking about Excel and keyboard shortcuts and examples. That's exactly what I have in my own book. So why shouldn't I be able to make a cheat sheet like that and start selling it? And that's exactly what I did. If you go to the in30minutes.com and click on cheat sheets, you can actually see some of the cheat sheets that I created. Excel 365 cheat sheet, Google Docs cheat sheet. And this is how I was able to build my business. The first two that I created were for Word 2016 and Excel 2016. I found a local printer. These particular products have ISBNs, so they're considered media products, and I can sell them using Amazon Advantage. But this is the insight that I got from Amazon to create a separate product line. And it's not just things like books, a separate book product line or a separate media product line. For one of our books, Genealogy Basics in 30 Minutes, when we created it, the author mentioned in the book that while many beginner genealogists and even some pros like working things out on paper, and she had an example of a chart here, it's called a fan chart, and that made me think, well, maybe there's an opportunity for me to have a complementary product, genealogy charts, that I can sell alongside the book. So I did a little experiment. I created a simple packaged set of genealogy sheets, put them on Amazon Seller Central, and they started selling. And in fact, they started selling even better than the book itself. And right now, for this particular brand, I have all kinds of sheets that genealogists can use as worksheets, or maybe they want to frame it, or they just want to give it as a gift. And it's turned into something pretty successful. I hope this video helped you a lot. If it did, please consider liking it and sharing it with other people. And also, there are many more videos in the totally free Amazon Masterclass. Hope to see you soon.